to our guide for your upcoming service learning trip with MedLife. As we embark on this journey together, we're here to ensure you're fully prepared, informed, and excited about the adventures that lie ahead. Let's go through our agenda. Destination highlights, essential travel info, health protocols, packing and budgeting, itinerary, accommodation, donations, travel insights. Let's dive into our first topic. Your service learning trip is set in Lima, Peru, a city of 10 million known for its rich cuisine, deep history, and vibrant art. Amid its beauty, however, are the pueblos jóvenes, where our service learning trips occur. Here are a million people living without basic services in makeshift homes. These locations are approximately 40 minutes to 2 hours from your hotel. MedLife's work here has made a significant impact, yet our commitment with these communities is ongoing. Your contribution is key to this mission. The official language in Lima is Spanish, and the local currency is the sol. The current exchange rate is approximately 3.8 soles to $1. Wondering about Lima's weather? Here is a list of the conditions you might experience throughout the year. Before you embark on this journey, here's what you need to know. Passport, valid for at least 6 months beyond your trip dates. If your passport was not issued in the US or Canada, double check for visa requirements to avoid any surprises. Remember, MedLife cannot assist with the visa application directly. However, we can provide support with the following items. Once your flight is booked, shoot us an email with your details. You will arrive at Jorge Chávez International Airport, Lima. If you're arriving on Saturday, our team will be there to greet you between 5 p.m. and 11 p.m. Departures are scheduled for Sunday. Planning a side trip to Ica on Saturday? Make sure to schedule your flight to fit seamlessly with your plans. For those arriving or departing outside of these timeframes, please reach out to us for assistance with transportation or extra accommodations. Your trip leader is your go-to during the service learning trip, ensuring your safety and guiding you throughout each day. Upon your arrival, there's a mandatory welcome meeting where we'll review the week's schedule, understand the activities that are ahead, and learn the essential ground rules. We've also got you covered with masks to keep everyone protected. By adhering to our health protocols and engaging in the safety briefing, we're all set for a memorable and secure service learning trip. Ready to pack? Focus on essentials, consider weather-appropriate gear. Make sure you don't forget the following items as they will be essential during your stay. When joining us at the clinic, remember to dress respectfully. For project days, go with clothes you don't mind getting a little bit dirty. For a detailed packing list, check the video description. Before you depart, make sure to bring a minimum of $200 USD for various travel expenses and an emergency fund of $250 USD for insurance deductibles. Your trip leader will guide you to the best money exchange spots during the walking tour. Every participant on our service learning trips will be provided with emergency medical insurance. Keep in mind that medical bills will be paid by the volunteer and amounts over $250 USD will be reimbursed after filling in the claim. If you do encounter a medical issue, do not worry. Your trip leader is there to support you every step throughout your journey with us. Here's a sneak peek at what we've got planned. Leisure day to explore or book optional activities, reality tour, 3 days at our mobile clinic, development project day, and for those seeking even more adventure, cap off your week with an optional full-day excursion. Download the detailed itinerary in the description of this video. There will be basic breakfast provided at the hotel. During workdays, we've got you covered with boxed lunch and dinner in the evening. If you have dietary restrictions and haven't filled in that information, please email info@medlifemovement.org. You'll stay in rooms with peers from your chapter or school, ensuring a community feel. For those seeking a bit more privacy, upgrades are available at an extra cost. Hotel Wi-Fi will be available. However, please be aware it may not be reliable. We recommend that volunteers have an international plan as a backup. A gentle reminder, we are here to make a difference. Please refrain from consuming alcohol before clinic or project days. The use of illegal substances is strictly forbidden. Remember, breaking the law could mean your dismissal from the trip. Let's keep our focus on providing the best possible service to those in need. Your contributions make a huge difference. MedLife welcomes donations of medical supplies to support our clinics and projects. Here's a glance at some of the items we accept. For a comprehensive list of what you can donate, visit our website's FAQ section. Before you embark on this incredible journey, here are a few travel tips to ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience. Pack light, attach luggage tags, verify electrical compatibility, be timely, and stay informed. Before we wrap up, here's a quick summary to ensure you're fully prepared for your journey. Don't forget your passport will need to be valid for at least 6 months after your trip. If your passport was issued outside of the US or Canada, you may need a visa for certain destinations. Make sure to have the proper documentation. Once you have your flight details, email us at info@medlifemovement.org with the information, flight number, date, and arrival time. The same for departure. Download your volunteer handbook on your phone to have easy access to important information. Download and install WhatsApp. For additional details, visit our FAQ page or reach out to us at info@medlifemovement.org. Don't forget to review your volunteer handbook, which you can find in the description of this video, for essential information and more details about your trip.